Today I'm bringing you a look at this BreezeRest memory foam 6-inch mattress. This is designed with a 2-layer foam system. It's got soft cooling gel upper layer, and then it's also got a bottom green tea infused high density base for support. This thing allows for very nice airflow, nice cooling effect on top. It's also got this cover here that is removable and washable. And the very nice thing about this is that it is fiberglass free. So it's got high quality materials. All foams are tested by their US lab and certified by CertiPure US to ensure the quality and performance. And this thing arrived rolled up. So it was compressed in a box so you can easily get this into your house wherever you live. And then you simply cut it open and it unrolls into this nice 6-inch size. As you can see, super soft, and it conforms to your body quite nicely. Laying down here, it just feels amazing. And I highly recommend this if you're looking for a new mattress. Thanks for watching.